Hey everyone, and welcome back to Taking It Offline. Today, we're talking about an app that's a favorite in over 100 countries, WhatsApp. This powerhouse has over 2 billion users globally and is one of the few apps with over 5 billion downloads. And get this, in 2022, it generated over $906 million in revenue just through WhatsApp Business only. Think about that. That is crazy. While it's a global giant, WhatsApp also has a strong presence in the US with over 98 million users here. Now that's a lot of chatting and a lot of sharing. And speaking of chatting, did you know over 100 billion WhatsApp messages are sent daily? Plus, people spend over 2 billion minutes on calls every day. That's a lot of talking and a lot of texting. I personally barely check my WhatsApp, but when I do, it's a sea of unread messages. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for tech tips and tutorials every week. Now, let's jump into why we're talking about WhatsApp today. There's a serious side to WhatsApp's popularity. In 2022, scammers sent a whopping 66 billion spam texts through the app. And with such a large user base, including many older members of our families, it's crucial to stay vigilant. Now, let's talk security, especially two-step verification. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account. All you gotta do is you head over to your settings and account and then enable two-step verification and set a 6-digit passcode. This simple step can significantly boost your security. Our older family members are often targeted by scammers, so share this with your parents and grandparents to help them stay secure. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way in protecting against scams. Staying secure on WhatsApp is crucial, so update your settings and help your loved ones do the same and also save their money. For more insights into staying safe online, don't forget to subscribe and join me next time on Taking It Offline. Again, this is Parth. I'm signing off. Until next time.